Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to enable offline mode Microsoft Outlook in computer. So how to enable offline mode Microsoft Outlook in computer? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go to Microsoft Outlook on your computer. And this is the initial display on Microsoft Outlook. To enable offline mode Outlook, just go. Point the cursor to the upper right corner of the computer screen. Here there is a setting icon. And tap. Here there are many menu options that you can use. Select the general menu. Now in the general menu there are many menus. Tap the offline menu. Now here it is in the offline menu. In the offline menu section, to activate, tap Enable Offline Email, Calendar, and People. The Activate Offline function in Outlook allows you to access, read, and write emails without an internet connection. This feature is useful when you are traveling or experiencing network disruptions. So that's it, the tutorial how to suggest word or phrases Microsoft Outlook in computer. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.